up taking her. Why would you set this album on a chair?
Fine. I didn't want to eat one to do anyway.